Hello, in this video we are going to share with you garden creativity ideas along with the information about this garden artwork. Gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature and create a beautiful outdoor space. But why stop at just plants and flowers? Adding some garden arts to your landscape can take your garden to the next level. Here are some garden craft ideas to consider. Plant makers keeping track of what you have planted in your garden can be a challenge, especially as your plants start to grow. Creating your own plant makers in a fun and easy way to keep everything organized. You can use materials like rocks, popsicle sticks, or even old spoons. Paint or write the plant name on them and place them in your garden to keep track of what you have planted. Birds are a welcome addition to any garden, and building or painting your own birdhouses and feeders is a great way to attract them. There are many tutorials and templates available online to help you get started, or you also can get ideas from this video in which we have shared with you different kind of designs. You can also customize your birdhouse and feeders with paint or other decorative elements. Creating your own garden stepping stones is a fun and creative way to add some personality to your garden path. You can make them using concrete molds and decorative elements like glass beads or mosaic tiles. These can add a unique touch to your garden path and make it more interesting to walk through. Upcycled garden art, repurposing old items like bicycles, wheels, hubcaps, or even old silverware is a great way to add some unique pieces of garden art. These can be hung on fences or walls or placed throughout your garden. The possibilities are endless when it comes to upcycling items for your garden. Arbor creating your own trellises and arbor is a great way to support climbing plants like roses or ivy, while also adding to height and interest to your garden. You can use materials like wood or metal to create your trellises and arbors and customize them with paint or other decorative elements. In conclusion, adding some garden craft to your outdoor space can take your garden to the next level. From plant markers to upcycled garden art, there are endless possibilities when it comes to adding some personal touches to your landscape. So get creative and start crafting. Garden crafts are a fun and creative way to add some personality and charm to your outdoor space. Here are some garden craft ideas to consider. Create your own plant makers using materials like rocks, popsicle sticks, or even old spoons. Paint or write the plant name on them and place them in your garden to keep track of what you have planted. Make your own garden stepping stones using concrete molds and decorative elements, glass beads, or mosaic tiles. These can add a unique touch to your garden path. So we hope that these garden craft ideas inspire you to get creative and add some personal touches to your outdoor space. At the end of this video, as usual, we would like to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with others. Your support always needed. Have a nice day.